Huh. This must be the control module. Jack could be on his way here any minute, so we need to act fast. Andre, you head down to Safe Haven and lead the other mutants to the outside world. Me? But what about you? I'll operate the control panel so it can open the doors for you and the others to escape. Listen, there's no time. Look, you're a king, remember? Yes? Then as the king, it's your duty to lead your fellow mutants to safety. Round them up, take them to the outside world, and find a new place to build a home. Don't worry about me. I'll be fine. You got it, Samuel. I promise. I will keep mutant kind safe from the evil of the evil humans. Or something like that. But anyway, you got it. Come on, guys! Back to Safe Haven! Godspeed, Andre. This has gone far enough, Samuel. They're gone now. Just leave them alone. I can't do that. He's seen too much. You both have. Jack, please. It doesn't have to be this way. I have no choice. Times have changed. The sake of humanity resides in my hand. But kidnapping mutants and experimenting on them? I'll kidnap 1,000 mutants before I let the human race die. And I'll silence anyone who gets in my way! You crazy moron. You shot me! Like I said, I'm not crazy. I'm smart. Bloody bastard.